Hey everyone. In this video, I plan to dive a little deeper into the stochastic lattice creation tools in Altair Inspire. Now, as opposed to a traditional lattice that uses a repeated pattern to create the network of struts, a stochastic lattice is randomized strut lattice, and that can be defined by points or edges to create the network. These can be really useful for absorbing shock or sound waves, and are really common in medical and aerospace applications because of their ability to reduce the weight and maintain stiffness. So before I show you how to create these in the new versions of Inspire, some might be using the 2024 version, so I just wanted to quickly point out that interface change before diving into the tools. So here I am in the 2024 version. You can see the implicit modeling has its own tab on the ribbon, and you can see the different types of lattices like the surface, planar, strut, and stochastic. So click on the stochastic icon, and that'll pop up the point edge menu, and that allows you to customize the lattice. You can change your point and seed count, change the generation method, and with each step you can see your lattice shape changing. Then you can click over on the Edge tab, and that'll help refine the shape that you're looking for. I'm going to get more into these options when we look at the 2026 version as well. Okay, so now I'm in the 2026 version, and you can see there's a slight difference here in the interface. So I still have the implicit ribbon, but you can see that there's a point edge set icon here as well. Then over here you can see the stochastic icon is now a drop-down, and that gives you the option to create a point edge set for a stochastic lattice, which is the PES to struts. The regular grid, which would create points based on a grid, uses the cell strut tool. The struts from parts uses meshes or surfaces to generate the points, and then the pin perforate creates isolated edges that don't connect to each other. I'm going to use the PES to struts option, and then select my part body and choose the green cross to accept it. So you can see it starts to create these points for me, and now I have the option to customize it. I can update the total point count, so I'm going to put it 1500. It's easier to see with some of the changes. Then the seed changes the initial placement of the random points initially. Then you can see if I change the generation method to minimum spacing, it adds more points to each seed based on that region. Then for containment, I'll leave it as being contained inside my port body. Now on the Edge tab, I have a few options here as well. Neighboring points will connect each point to its closest neighbor. I can also choose no edges, so the points are not connected at all. And then the Delaunay and Voronoi options basically divide the area into different regions around each seed, and then it creates edges where there's overlap in those regions. And once I'm happy with the lattice I've created, once I hit the green check mark, it'll actually create the implicit model for me. I have this on the medium visualization quality right now, but there is the high, very high. It just takes a little bit more computer power when you use those. So you can see the lattice tools in Inspire are getting really strong, and they allow users to do a few things that I didn't even show in the video, like creating a lattice field part of the shell, or field-driven lattices for a non-uniform grid, optimization-driven lattices, and even hybrid lattice and solid designs as well. So I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn more about Inspire, any of the lattices, don't hesitate to reach out to us at www.trueinsight.io. Thank you.